Okay, today we're looking at a 2024 Catalina Destination 39 MKTS. A lot of people will call this also a park model or destination model. Basically something that can be pulled, but you're usually typically just bringing it to a campground to put on a permanent spot or a piece of property to leave there, not really pulling it around a lot, but it can be pulled. So this particular model is going to feature a big front living area, dual opposing slides, center island, got a residential refrigerator, front entertainment center, rear bedroom with a slide out as well, so you've got plenty of space in that back rear bedroom, and then a middle bath separating the living area, kitchen area from the bedroom as well. So like again, this model is coming in at 40 foot 11 inches total length with the tongue. Going to give you a really nice open floor plan option to put on a piece of property or at your campground. Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman. I'm with RV Wholesalers here in Lakeview, Ohio. Today I'm going to look at a 2024 Coachman Catalina. It's a destination slash park model. People call it different things. Basically you can tow it going to different areas, but a lot of people are going to put it at a certain spot or piece of property. The model is a 39 MKTS. This model is going to feature a big front living area, right? So your entertainment center is up front in the center, but you still got nice 2 picture windows there. As we come around here, you got to slide out here, but also a slide out on the other side that's opposing from one another. It's going to be dual entry. So what's cool about this area is you could still utilize this whole back area. A lot of people want to put a deck back here. You can put a deck right here all the way to the back for both landing spots coming out both entries. You've got an entry that goes basically right into your kitchen living area, and also one that will go into your rear bedroom, because this bedroom is going to be in the rear. As we come back here, you're going to see that we've got a storage compartment here. So you've got a large amount of storage for lawn chairs. I mean, all these different things at your campsite. It's always nice to have some exterior storage that you can put in there. Next, we're going to go inside. We'll take a look at all the big features on the inside. I do want you to check out the power awning that comes on the unit, and it's got the LED lights as well. Let's go take a look at the inside. Okay, so immediately when we come in and we take a right towards the front of the trailer, you're gonna see how much room I've got, right? So I've got a nice entertainment center. You've got picture windows so you can still see out the front of the unit. You've got 2 chairs that are recliners that face directly across to your theater seating. So really you could sit 2, 4, and 4 more at your freestanding dinette. So you can sit 8 people in here very comfortably. As we come around on the off-door side, this is the slide out that goes out that's going to have your theater seating. Then as you come in, you've got your kitchen, right? So they do a nice island. They've got undermount sink, and then you've got a drying rack on top for doing dishes and stuff. It does have a nice pull-out sprayer. Big pantry space, right? Big pantry. More stuff, more cabinets down below. Microwave, 3-burner cooktop, does have a bigger oven, does have cool little lights, backlighting on your different knobs there. Residential refrigerator. I like to call this sort of like a hutch almost. A lot of counter space there, and then obviously you got counter space on your island. Directly as we come here is you're going to be your freestanding dinette. So basically, table, 4 chairs, makes it easy getting in and out. Some people have booths. One person's got to get out pretty much every time to get in and out. And then you got your 2 recliners. And these are freestanding, so you can move these around if you want to move them around, turn them and stuff to look up here to your entertainment center. You can do that really easy as well. What we'll do next is we're going to go back and we'll take a look at the bathroom and then the rear bedroom as well. All right, now we're going to come into our bathroom. So I am 6'5". Plenty of room, right? So I can stand up in here. I even got a skylight to give me even more head clearance when taking a shower. Got a seat in here so if you want to sit down. You do have a medicine cabinet with a sink, and then down below you've got more storage there. Bathroom, doesn't take up a ton of space in the unit, but it still feels very roomy. Directly across from that, you're going to have your toilet, foot flush toilet. So you got plenty of space in here. You could always put towel holders and stuff like that in here as well. So next, let's go take a look at the rear bedroom. Rear bedroom, what's nice about it? Slides out, got plenty of room around the bed, right, on both sides. Huge cabinet in the back for hanging. right? So you've got all this hanging. You've got places to put shoes. You've got all these drawers down below, and basically like almost like a little desk area right here, which is really nice for, you know, put your socks and linens and stuff like that. But also, you know, you always got little, you know, from your wallet to your phones and all type of stuff that you can set right there. Now, once you want to come to pan back this way, there's where you could put your washer and dryer. You could put a stackable washer and dryer. You could do an all-in-one combo. One thing that's cool too that I noticed is they've got ceiling fans. There's a ceiling fan in here, but there was one in the living room as well. So get good airflow. It's got 2 air conditioners as well. So overall, awesome layout. It's almost like a house. A lot of people are using these now while they're building a house. The housing market's been so good. A lot of people have sold their houses. They're staying in these for while they're building a new house or while they're waiting for the market to adjust. You know, they don't need as much room anymore, so a lot of people are even starting to live in these full time, and they're getting really, really popular.